welcome back to another video of What's Cooking. I'm Chef Chris, and today we'll be making blackened halibut with a black bean, bacon, and corn salad. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna put oil in the pan. We're gonna get it nice and hot to where it's just starting to, about to smoke. While that's heating up, we'll take our piece of halibut, a little salt and pepper, and then we'll dredge it in the blackening seasoning. I'll show you guys what it looks like when we're done. So it's nice and coated, and we'll just reserve that and let our pan start to heat up. So now that the pan is heated up, we'll take our halibut, we'll put it blackened side down. Make sure when you put it in the pan, you put it away from you just so the oil doesn't like splat up and, burn you. So take it, give it a little shake so it doesn't stick. We'll kind of let that go for, probably 3 or 4 minutes just to, get a nice hard sear on it. I'm gonna turn it over, see what it looks like, starting to look like. Keep it down. Now that you have the nice, blackened sear on it, we'll flip it over. We'll do another couple minutes on that side, and then once it's cooking, we'll take this off and we'll reserve it, and we'll heat up our black bean and bacon salad. All right, so now for our black bean, bacon, and corn salad, we'll take another pan, we'll add oil to that, and we'll give that a minute or so to heat up. Due to time restraints, I did already make the bacon and corn salad, but there is a recipe that you guys can follow that you guys can make it at home. So once that's heated up, we'll add that to the pan. Kind of spread it out evenly. So now to plate, we'll take our heated black bean and corn salad. We'll get a nice sized portion, put it right in the middle. A little bit more. Take that. And we'll take our blackened halibut. Take our red pepper coulis, a little bit of chimichurri, and then a little bit of microgreens, to garnish. And now that is the blackened halibut with black bean, corn, and red pepper coulis. This will be available in the cafe and bistro Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoy.